Hello everyone, so this time we're going to tackle about the differentiation of transcendental functions. So here are the formulas. If we're going to get the derivative of sine x is equals to cosine x du over dx. And if we're going to find the derivative of cosine x, that would be or u, cosine u is equals to negative sine u du over dx. And if we're going to get the derivative of tan u, we get secant squared u du over dx. And then if we're going to get the derivative of cotangent u, that would be equal to negative cosecant squared u du over dx. And if we're going to take the derivative of secant u, so the derivative of that is secant u times tan u. And lastly, if we're going to take the derivative of cosecant u, that would be equals to, we have negative cosecant u times cotangent u du over dx. So these are formulas that we're going to familiarize or memorize. We have example number 1. We're going to find dy over dx if y is equals to sine 4x. So we note that y is equals sine 4x takes the form y is equals to sine u. So with u, so our u here is 4x. And hence our dy over dx is equals to cosine 4x d over dx times our u is 4x. So therefore cosine 4x times 4, so we have 4 cosine 4x. So we're going to derive this 4x, so the derivation of 4x is 4, so we're going to multiply that, so we get this result 4 times cosine 4x, so this will be the answer. So this time we're another example number 2. So we have we're going to find the derivative dy over dx if we have y is equals to sine cube 4x. So if we write y equals sine 3 of 4x, sine raised to 3 4x as y is equals to sine 4x cubed. Okay, so we write it here as y equals sine 4x cubed. So then it takes the form y equals to u raised to n. So with our u here is equals to sine 4x and our n is equals 3. So our n is 3, so that is exponent. So thus dy over dx is equals to 3 sine squared 4x. Then we get the derivative of sine 4x. And you can add in sine 4x. Okay. So next is so the derivative of sine, so we have cosine, so copy 3 sine squared 4x, then the derivative of sine is cosine 4x, then the derivative of 4x, then we get the derivative of 4x. Okay, next is just copy again 3 3 sine squared 4x cosine 4x. So the derivative of 4x. So we have now 4x. So copy sine squared 4x. So we have 4x. So if we're going to multiply this 4 to 3, so we have 12. And then sine squared 4x and copy the cosine 4x. So this will be the final answer. That would be all. Thank you, everyone.